Grouping of activities on the basis of product lines is a part of answer B. Divisional organization. The form of organization known for giving rise to remotes is called answer B. Decentralized organization. Span of management refers to answer C. Number of subordinates under a superior. For delegation to be effective, it is essential that responsibility be accompanied with necessary answer A. Authority. Centralization refers to answer A. Retention of decision-making authority. A tall structure has a answer A. Narrow span of management. Which of the following does not follow the scalar chain? Answer D. Informal organization. Which of the following is not an element of delegation? Answer D. Informal organization. Which organization structure does not have duplication of work? Answer A. Formal. Which structure of organization is helpful in locating the inefficient employees? Answer A. Formal. Which organization structure is based on rules and procedures? Answer B. Formal. Which organization structure is consciously or deliberately established? Answer A. Formal. Where lies the need of organization? Answer C. In both A and B. Under what function of management the relationship between different position is explained? Answer C. Organization. In which respect does formal organization differ from informal organization? Answer B. Structuring. Dash is the organizational structure in which activities are grouped on the basis of products. Answer A. Divisional structure. Which of the following is not a feature of functional structure? Answer C. It is easy to fix responsibility for performance. A network of social relationship that arises spontaneous due to interaction at work is called answer B. Informal organization. The steps of organization process are answer B. 4. Organizing process involves answer D. None. Under this type of organizational structure, main power is grouped on the basis of different products manufactured. Answer A. Divisional structure. Which of the following cannot be delegated? Answer A. Responsibility and accountability. When decision-making authority is retained, organization is said to be by higher management levels and answer B. Centralized. Dash is the organization structure in which no department is responsible for end results. Answer B. Functional structure. Organizing process includes one of the following. Answer A. Grouping of activities. Responsibility is derived from answer A. Authority. Degree of decentralization indicates answer A. Degree of authority delegation. One of the following is an advantage of functional structure. Answer D. Easier employee learning. It refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. Answer C. Span of management. It is defined as a framework within which managerial and operating tasks are performed. Answer B. Organizational structure. Dash cannot be delegated. Answer C. Accountability. Dash is the organizational structure in which activities are grouped on the basis of products. Answer A. Division structure. Degree of decentralization indicates answer A. Degree of authority delegation. One of the following is an advantage of functional structure. Answer B. Flexibility. Organizing process includes one of the following. Answer A. Grouping of activities. Organizing can be defined as answer C. Both A and B. When managers are made responsible for coordinating a particular number of jobs effectively is called answer B. Span of control. Clear destination between job roles on various people help in answer A. Increase the workload. Proper assignment of job and clear job rules and job description help in avoiding answer C. Both A and B. Organizing involves organization of which of the following resources? Answer D. All of the above. When decision-making authority is retained, organization is said to be by higher management level and answer B. Centralized. It is the obligation of a subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty. Answer A. Responsibility. Which of the following is not an element of delegation? Answer D. Decentralization. Responsibility is of answer C. Both A and B. Which of the following is not a demerit of formal organization? Answer B. It may lead to spreading of remorse. Identify the type of organization structure which makes training of employees easier as the focus is only on a limited range of skills. Answer C. Functional structure. It refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. Answer C. Span of management. There is no discipline in organization. Answer D. Informal organization. For delegation to be effective, it is essential that response to be accompanied with necessary answer A. Authority.